what we have here is a stud that is going to serve as the backer for a drywall patch. And I am using my belt not only to hold up my pants today, but to keep the stud in place while I screw it in. And there we go. You take this little patch, you put it right there, like so. 2 screws. Now we're going to mud it and hand it to me while I'm on camera. Just gonna pull it. We're gonna use that tape right there. And this will need to be sanded and cared for beyond this. But it's a quick little Instagram video this morning, or a few little Instagram videos on how to patch a hole. And we'll see just how good I can do it with one pass. Keep in mind, this is not the finished product, rather an approximation of what it will be. Very tight little space here. Not fun to mud. This is probably the point where I don't know where to stop and just let it dry. There we go. All done. Well, not all done, but all done for right now.
If you found this video helpful, let us know by clicking like and consider subscribing to our channel. Feel free to message us in the comments section with any constructive questions or suggestions.